Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Swarna. Mom's life is the hardest full-time job in this world, while at the same time the highest paid job in this world. Please give this video a thumbs up if you agree with me. I have a full-time job, I have a house to manage, I have a husband to manage, and overall I have a toddler to manage. And that makes my life a really busy life. If there is anything in this world that can save me 10 minutes in my day-to-day life, then that's my best friend. Yes friends, today I'm going to share my 4 best friends that's helping me save a lot of time in my day-to-day life. If you're new to my channel, I make videos on leading a simple life on a budget. I promise value for your time because all my uploads are short and to the point. So please consider subscribing to my channel and clicking on the notification bell because I would love to catch you guys in my upcoming uploads. Okay friends, I missed the most important point. Today's video is not a sponsored video by any means. All these points are emotions directly from my heart, hoping that some of these tips would help you guys out there. Without any further ado, let's get started. Cooking. Based on a latest study, cooking takes almost 1 hour on every average woman's daily course. That's a lot of time, folks. And there comes my best friend, Instant Pot. I know everybody has become Instant Pot crazy these days, but trust me, if you're not owning one, you should definitely own one.
Instant Pot is a programmable pressure cooker. You can pressure cook, slow cook, this cook, that cook and whatnot. The latest one has 9 modes in it. The best part is it's hands-free and has a delay start too.
It's so awesome. It has made my life so easy. Like cooking has never ever been so easy in my life. I use it every day, literally every single day in and out. I actually own 2. One a bigger size and one a smaller size. And I use both of them every single day. I just fill the pot with all the ingredients I need and I turn it on in the night, I set a delay time and in the morning the food is ready. How awesome is that? It really feels like magic, you folks. You must experience it yourself to actually trust it. Let's talk about my second best friend. Clothes shopping takes a lot of my time, folks. And I was a person who always valued cost of the clothing over cost per wear. To explain it a little more, let's say that you actually bought a blouse for $10. And you bought another blouse for $30, and the blouse you bought for $10 does not look good on you or you don't feel good about it, and so you actually wore it only 2 times. But the blouse you bought for $30, like it so much, you feel so good about it and you had it for almost 3 years and you wore it to death. So now the cost per wear of the $30 blouse is more than the cost per wear of the $10 blouse. So if you see, for a longer time the $30 blouse was more economical than the $10 blouse. I was always shopping all the time, but at the end of the day, whenever I went to my closet, there was like nothing to wear. I hope most of you guys can relate to me. That's when my best friend, who also happened to be a stylist, told me that she's gonna shop for me, pick up all the amazing clothes for me, and she promised me that I'm gonna look amazing in all the clothes. If I don't feel good about the clothes, I can give it back to her, and if I actually feel good, I'll just have to purchase from her. And my friends, my best friend's name is Stitch Fix.
Stitch Fix is an online styling service. They have a website and also mobile applications. You have to create an account, provide your size details along with your personal style preferences. They charge $20 on styling fees, which is waived off when you buy their clothes. They send 5 clothes to your doorstep and provide you $25 discount when you buy all 5. If you don't like it, you can send them back and the shipping is free. Their clothes are affordable. All of their clothes fit me great and I wear them to death because I feel great while wearing it and I always get compliments when I wear them. Their clothing is always unique as you won't get them normally in other stores.
I'm telling you, my friends, almost all my clothes are from Stitch Fix these days. I don't shop at all in person. Am I missing all the shopping fun? Yeah, to a certain extent, but when the box arrives on my front door and when I unbox my box and I try on my clothes, it gives me the same happiness and also saves a lot of my time. So that's a big win. I'm going to put my referral link in the description box below. So please give it a try, because what's that to lose? You're just going to give it a try. I'm sure you guys will like it and also save a lot of your time. Cleaning, my friends, is a job that I don't enjoy much, and I'm always trying to delegate it to somebody else. Eufy. I don't know if you guys have heard about Eufy, but Eufy is like the iRobot thing, the automatic vacuum machine where you just set it and it vacuums your whole house even before you wake up. And I also love cordless vacuum cleaners. I have Eufy but I had Dyson previously and I loved Dyson. I somehow liked Dyson more than Eufy. I got Eufy just because Eufy was, I broke my Dyson and Eufy was less costly. So in terms of cordless vacuum cleaner, Dyson is the best. But in terms of the iRobot kind of, the automatic cleaner, Eufy is far better when compared to iRobot, because iRobot was so costly first of all and was making a lot of noise, and Eufy is like so silent, you won't even notice that she's running around, and then she's also very affordable. And over that I have a maid service who comes and cleans the house once in 2 weeks. So all my cleaning services are delegated. My fourth best friend is Amazon Subscribe and Save. I no longer do any personal care shopping personally in store.
Amazon Subscribe and Save is a service offered by Amazon for things that you buy on a regular basis. Choose a specific day in a month to deliver the Subscribe and Save items. Whenever I'm commuting to work, I open the Amazon app and look for personal care and healthcare items on deals with coupons. Many of their personal care items are always slashed down in prices, and over that we get 15% off Subscribe and Save discount, and you also have online direct coupons to apply with just a click. That saves me a lot of money and a lot of time in shopping. You can cancel your Subscribe and Save item anytime you want. What I usually do is add an item to a Subscribe and Save cart if it's on a deal and if it has a coupon, and I immediately cancel it after it's delivered, so that I don't get the same item next month, because sometimes it might not be on deal the next month, or the coupon might not apply the next month.
That's it, folks. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments which one is already your best friend or which one you're willing to give a try. And please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, because I have a ton of awesome ideas planned for my upcoming videos, and I would love to catch you all in my upcoming uploads. That's it from Swarna. See you next time.